Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Courtney back with another money-making video. If you like learning how to make money online and just using your time to fund your businesses, this is the video for you. So today we're going to be talking about two of my favorite sites. Both of these links will be down in the description. It's free to sign up. You just got to put the work in. So the first one is Prize Rebel. PrizeRebel.com. The link will be down in the description. Click it, get a bonus when you sign up. I currently have 114 points. That is $1.14. I have not done any work this morning. 75 points for a daily survey. Okay. Download your Chrome extension so that you get notified when they have bonus codes for 5 or 10 cents. It adds up. Always do your daily survey, 75 cents a pop. Okay, every 100 points is $1. 75 cents a pop, a daily survey. Will you qualify for all of them? No. My second, and you can do Tap Research. Tap Researches are easy to qualify for. The thing I will say about daily surveys is make sure you're putting in the same information in the surveys that is in your profile when you first signed up. Okay, be honest. Put in that information. The only thing that I change in my profile, make sure you make a decent amount of money, okay? Because that's what these survey providers want to know, that you make a decent amount of money. If you make a low income, you're not going to have money to use these services, okay? So then we can go to OfferWalls. I love Revenue Universe. I love AdGate. I love AdGem. I love Ascend. OfferToro is awesome. Those are just the ones I use. I usually click Info Submit. Make sure you're using CC Cleaner to clear your cookies and your cache before you do all these. Some of these offers will not credit. That's just the name of the game. It just doesn't happen. You're not going to get 100 out of 100 when you do these offers, but they will credit some of them. 15 cents. You sign up for dailyfree.com and you get 15 cents. So easy. Okay. You can do the surveys. 52 cents, 73 cents, 35 cents, it all adds up. So now we're going to go to the sign up, and we are going to talk about the gifts that you can get, okay, with your bonuses and with your money. Everybody likes to see rewards. So here we are at the rewards page, and you see $50 PayPal money, Amazon, PayPal, League of Legends, Sam's Club, Home Chef, Uber, Uber Eats. If you like to eat out, Uber, Apple, Amazon, Dunkin', Burger King. Guys, if you like to eat out, there is no reason why you can't do this and earn yourself some free gift cards for people. And for Christmas is right around the corner. It's August, okay? Get on this site, make $5 a day, okay? Use your time instead of watching Netflix or Hulu or going and laying and sleeping until 12. Make this money. It's here. It's free. It just takes your time, okay? Let me show you some rewards history. I have only, from July 23rd to August 23rd, a month, I have only doing $10 so far this year. So this year I've earned $40. Last year I earned $61. Okay, let's look at my stats. I have $1.14. Points earned today, none. Points earned yesterday, none. Points earned this month, $8.38. If you need the money, you're going to make this money, okay? If you need groceries, if you need gas, if your kid needs diapers and you got to find a way to make the money, you're going to figure it out. Points earned this year, $40.41. Lifetime, I've earned from this site $462.97. I've claimed 81 rewards. I have 47 referrals. Those 47 referrals, nobody's doing any work. So if you get on this site, click my link, sign up, make your money. This money is here. It can teach you how to be able to get out of debt, how to buy things that you need, how to not be broke, how to keep the fridge stocked, okay? Everybody is out of work. Do these surveys, okay? If you do 6 surveys a day, you've got your $5, all right? Do a couple offers, all right? So let me see my referral stats because everybody's curious. That's everybody's biggest thing is you're earning off referrals, okay? So my referrals are 47. Total earnings, I've earned $26.13 from lifetime from all my referrals. My total clicks has been 1,615 clicks. Total referrals, 3, 0 points, and 45 clicks, okay? So that tells me that I'm getting clicks, but there's no signups. And if there's signups, they're not putting in the work, okay? So that's the first site. You can also watch videos passively to make this money. Let videos run. If you need the money, you're gonna work, okay? This site does pay out. I'm gonna show you my earn history and what I usually do, just so that you can see that it's not from referrals, okay? Revenue research surveys, your surveys, AdGate, daily challenge, and I'll get into that in a second. Surveys, Ascend Media, that was videos, AdGate, your surveys, okay? So I'm doing surveys and offers like everybody else. Let me show you how you can set your reward goal. You have a daily challenge right here. If I make $1.55 today, they'll give me 5 cents. It's not a lot, but it's 5 cents. Okay, if you do that for 5 days, they give you 30 cents. Okay, the daily raffle is a $10 Amazon gift card. I have 386 more points to earn before I get my $5 in PayPal money. You can change your goal right here. If you click change goal, you can change it to any of these gift cards, okay? And it's nice because you have a tracker, okay, that shows you how many more points you need, okay? Here's your referral link. If you want to, you can earn anywhere from $1 to $5 per day with referrals, but you're not gonna earn anything if nobody does anything. All right, your daily challenge, make sure you hit that every day. Here's your stats. The levels are bronze. You start out at bronze. You get 15% per referrals. You don't get your prizes automatic process. That means that when you click to redeem a prize, it's going to take longer. You have to get up to gold level, which means $45, okay, that you've cashed out. $10 for silver, $45 for gold, $100 for platinum, and $160 for diamond. Okay, once you reach this, level, diamond, it's the highest level. All right, you want to get to diamond. Why? Because you get 30% off your referrals, automatic prize processing. Say if you needed $10 and you redeemed it, it'll be in your account within 4 minutes. You get a 3% bonus at the beginning of each month. The first of each month, they give you a bonus of what you've earned the last month. And you get a 3% prize discount. So let me go back and show you what I mean by price discount. And this applies to everything except PayPal. Okay. So if I wanted a $5 Amazon card, usually it's 500 points. Okay. But they're giving it to me for $4.85. Okay. That is your discount. And that applies to everything except PayPal because of the fees. Okay. So this would be $25. You're saving 75 cents. 2,425 points equals to $24.25. 75 cents every gift card you redeem, that adds up. You need to start doing these for Christmas, saving up so you can get people gift cards, or do PayPal cash so you can buy physical gift cards, whatever you want to do. Pay off this debt, start a business, get groceries, get diapers, whatever you need to do for your family, get on this site and do it. The link will be in the description. Please sign up. You get a bonus. Next site, Bankroll Bucks. Love this site. Love it. My referrals are rocking it. Okay. So here, the link will be in the description. Here's your ticker. Shows you what people are doing. Active members, 6,202. Okay. The jackpot's 14 cents. Offer walls 12. Offers 88. That changes daily. You got your members home, your offers, your daily jackpot, your tap research, your theorem reach. Great. Your revenue universe wall, your converter, because you have to convert these bankrolls into cash, and I'll show you how to do that. Your cash balance is 0.14 cents. Bankrolls is 222, 25, 23. So what I like to do is I like to do pay to click. I like to do the offer walls theorem reach. You get a point for every survey that you try but you disqualify for. I love tap research. I love your surveys. I love doing the offer walls, revenue wall, the tap research, the theorem reach, the minute staff, the ad gate, the clicks wall. I love doing all of them. Okay. Let's see what my referrals are doing. If you need this money, guys, you will click on these links, sign up, and you will make daily money. It takes time. So I have 2 referrals, and one is just kicking it. Like, he is knocking it out of the park. Like, knocking it out of the park. And I appreciate that because we're going to convert these points. So you go to converter, and you're going to type in 222.25, okay? And you're going to convert this to cash. That's $2.22 that my referral has made me, okay? I haven't been on here in a while. I've been busy with life, other things. So it's nice to be able to come on here and see the earnings and not have to do work, okay? Because my referrals are doing all the work. So it's earning money on autopilot. So I want to bring this. They always have promotions. So August bonus, earn the most, paying 3 places, all offers count. You complete 10 revenue wall offers, you win 25 cents, no limit. Okay, any offers over 10 bankrolls count. So they give you bankrolls and you convert them. Okay, every 100 bankrolls is $1. Okay, these are the newest offers. You should try them if you qualify. You can do your offer walls. You can do the top crediting offers, the daily surveys, the paid to click offers, the survey panels, the pending offers. You have a email box. You can learn about the site news. Okay, you can withdraw your money. Here's where you go. Gift card withdrawal. Let's see what's there. PayPal, you can use $1. You can if you want to receive a PayPal gift card, You can sign up with, or you can cash out 100 points for a physical gift card, $2 Amazon card, a $5 Amazon card, or a $10 Amazon card. Okay? If you want cash that goes straight to your PayPal account, okay? And there's a 2% processing fee, okay? So you can do the math. Or you can have a check sent to you for $5 and they send them weekly, okay? Fridays by Bank of America, all right? So that is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that it brought you education. My links, like I said, will be in the description of this video. Sign up to get bonuses and start earning today. You're only stopping yourself with excuses of why you don't have gas money, why the baby doesn't have diapers, why I don't have formula for my kid, why I don't have groceries. Okay, this is not going to make you rich, but it will make you some money. So make sure you jump on these sites and do these sites daily. My team is rocking it on Bankroll Bucks. Prize Rebel people, you need to get with it and get up and get motivated and make this money, because money doesn't make itself. You've got to put in your time and energy. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that it inspired you to join these sites to make money for bigger things. All right, guys, if you haven't, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification to learn more. If you like making money online videos for free, please subscribe. I will have another video out for you shortly. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Saturday. And I will talk to you guys soon.